So this is my biggest problem with my Framework 13 laptop. Listen to this. So that is the fan. Temperature is currently 67 degrees Celsius. And all I'm doing is using my browsers. I'm not running any videos. I'm not playing video games. I'm not doing anything taxing on the system. And the thing is, I spent about $1,800 total for this laptop, including the accessories that I bought with it. But even without the accessories, it's still over $1,500. And so that's a lot of money for a laptop that has the fans blowing, just running browsers. So imagine if you're running something really taxing like video games and so forth, it gets even worse. And hopefully, since this is a really modular system, that framework can make improvements to this in the future. So hopefully this is something that can be fixed. But if not, it's really hard for me to recommend spending this much money when you're getting this type of performance and noises out of this laptop. Even though I love everything else about it, especially repairability, this is a big problem, and for some people it could be a no-go, especially considering the price.